Welcome back to Orkney. Volkswagen ID4 first edition just in. We've got it inside the unit because it's raining today outside. So quick walk around review of this groundbreaking SUV. So here we go, it's the first edition. It looks amazing in this blue. And quick walk around. Lots of videos about the ID4 on the internet. Yeah, interesting interior and nice and Volkswagen-esque inside. Basically foot on the brake, twist the toggle and you can engage reverse. We've got, it's very similar to the ID3 with the toggle arrangement on here. Neutral, reverse, reversing camera, and press the N for park. There we go. So lots and lots of things to play with in the ID4, but this has quite a unique feature. Plenty of room in the back. I've got the seat right back for me and I'm 6'4", and I'd say what, good 5 or 6 inches there behind the driver's seat. I've got nice little armrest, cup holders. Yeah, it's very nice. With dark headlining as well. So let's have a look inside the boot. So the catch is just here. Enormous boot on the ID4. Little storage compartment down below. Type 2 cable. So yeah. Now this has quite a unique feature. This has a tow bar. Oh no, it hasn't. Oh yes, it has. So this ID4 has the tow bar. So the little switch here. Wait for it. How cool is that? Locks up in place. There's also cleverly a little electronic connector there for your indicators, etc. And to pop it away after you've done your towing, pull that switch again, drops down, and then just push it up to click. An EV with a tow bar. So here we have the ID4 with the 77 kilowatt hour WLTP range of 310 miles, let's be honest, probably about 260, which is brilliant for a large car like this. This tow bar is one of the few EVs that can be spec'd with a tow bar from the factory. It's not a retrofit, it has to be a factory fit. And this can tow 750 kilograms unbraked or 1,000 kilograms with a braked trailer. So hats off to Volkswagen. One of the few EVs, I think the only other EV is the Tesla Model 3, where you can spec it again as a factory fit with the tow bar. So a lot of customers have been asking, can my EV tow? The ID4 can.